everybody. Our first angel card is wait. Obviously, there's a lot of us that don't understand divine timing. We planted our seeds and we want things to move forward. But everything in divine timing, relax, take time out, enjoy where you're at the moment. The angels want you to be careful of the things that you say because it can hurt other people. It can also be held against you. So apologize to yourself and others if you say something out of line and let it go. Don't get harp on it. Um, we are all moving into a more calmer within ourselves and around us. But stay goal driven and positive and enthusiastic about the future. There is no need to worry. Uh, uh, you can take time out. You don't need permission. If your body is tired, take time out, heal whatever's happening, and there's always enough. The energies in the heavens are with us, so trust that there's strong energies coming our way to help and guide us. Enjoy your life at the moment. Um, we're getting this feeling of freedom and that things are possible for us again. It's taking us away from the negative, ugly feelings that we always had and excuses and things that we carried around with us in the past. There is improving health, and I would say that is because we're letting go of all the negative energies that have held us back. We feel lifted. Shine your light, shine your truth, shine your love and who you are. You're a beautiful, wonderful soul. Um, Let spirit guide you from within you, your gut. Be deeply, deeply grateful for where you are at. We are all at the right place at the right time. Although we don't know what the future holds, we must be ready. Things can come in quickly, and then we must take action immediately for our whatever is good for us. Trust your intuition in all situations and come from a place of love. Thank you very much for listening. I love you all very, very much.